When Emberfluff's nose begins to tickle, the whole realm braces itself. He isn't your ordinary dragon. His sneezes are legendary.
I think it's coming again. Achoo!
With a single sneeze, Emberfluff launches a swirl of climate chaos. Spring meadows freeze, deserts bloom, and snow falls where sunlight once blazed.
First a picnic, now a snowstorm? Can dragons catch colds?
In a realm ruled by a sneezy dragon, you never know which season you'll wake up in next.
Sorry, everyone. Next time, I'll try for summer.